Ever wondered how a lion, the king of the jungle, manages to bring down its prey, or how a wolf pack coordinates its hunt with military precision? Welcome to the world of predators, a world where survival means being the best at the deadly game of hide and seek. Our journey begins with the majestic lion, the king of the African savanna. More than just a symbol of strength, the lion society defies our expectations. Interestingly, it's the female lions, not the males, who are the most active hunters. These lionesses work collaboratively, their hunting strategy a brilliant display of stealth, speed, and unity. It's a fascinating dynamic, showing that power doesn't always lie where we expect. Their strategy is a complex dance of stealth, speed, and teamwork, designed to outwit and overpower their prey. Next, we turn our gaze to the tiger, a solitary hunter that prefers the cover of night. This magnificent beast, unlike its lion counterpart, is a lone predator. It depends on its sharp senses and exceptional might to catch its prey. Unlike pack animals that depend on the group, the tiger relies solely on its own abilities. This feline strategy is a beautiful dance of patience and precision, embodying the quiet before the storm. Each step is careful, each breath measured. It moves in a calculated manner, stalking stealthily for hours, biding time. It waits for the ideal moment to strike. It will silently stalk its prey for hours, waiting for the perfect moment to pounce. And let's not forget the wolf, a predator known for its pack mentality. Wolves are the epitome of teamwork in the wild, with each member of the pack playing a crucial role in ensuring the group's survival. They move as one, a fluid and seamless unit, each individual's action complementing the others. The alpha, as the leader, spearheads the chase, using its experience and ferocity to guide the pack. The beta, equally vital, tactfully maneuvers the prey towards the alpha, making escape almost impossible. At the rear, the omega ensures the prey has no route of escape. It's a well-orchestrated symphony of strategy, strength, and stamina. So what have we learned about these predators and their hunting strategies? Each predator, whether it's a lion in the savanna, a tiger lurking in the dense jungles, or a wolf prowling the chilly tundras, has its own unique method of hunting prey. Strategies specifically devised and fine-tuned according to the particular strengths, abilities, and the specific environment it calls home. The lioness, symbolizing power and courage, brilliantly uses the strategy of teamwork. They depend on each other for a successful hunt, demonstrating unity and cooperation. The tiger, known for its unwavering patience and profound stealth, can silently stalk its prey for hours on end, ready to pounce when the moment is just right. Lastly, the wolf employs meticulously coordinated pack tactics, displaying a remarkable level of intelligence and group synchronization. Each creature a masterpiece of nature, showcasing their unique survival tactics. So, the lioness relies on teamwork, the tiger on stealth and patience, and the wolf on coordinated pack tactics. Furthermore, these predators are not merely hunters. They are critical drivers in their ecosystems, playing key roles that extend beyond hunting prey. Their existence and actions influence the biological diversity and equilibrium of their environments. Their intricate hunting strategies and behaviors go beyond satisfying their immediate hunger. In fact, their predatory activities have a profound impact on the very fabric of their ecosystems, shaping and influencing the survival and evolution of other species that share these habitats. Their role aids in maintaining a delicate ecological balance that is vital for overall environmental health and stability. Their hunting strategies do more than just fill their stomachs. They contribute to the health and vitality of their habitats. In the grand scheme of life, predators are not villains, but vital participants in the circle of life. Their hunting tactics are a testament to nature's ingenuity and a reminder of the delicate balance that exists within our world's ecosystems. So, the next time you marvel at the sight of a lion in full chase, a tiger stealthily stalking its prey, or a wolf pack on the hunt, remember the crucial roles these extraordinary predators play in shaping the world around them. It's a wild, wonderful world out there, and every creature, predator or prey, has its part to play.